Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode, problem 1550, 3 consecutive odds in JavaScript. This is given an array, return true if there are 3 consecutive odd numbers in the array, otherwise return false. So example 1, we have this array 2641. It's false because there are no 3 consecutive odds. In this one here, we see 5, 7, 23, all right next to each other. They're all odd numbers, so that is true. All right, we're gonna grab this one. Move on over to CodePen. Let's create our variable. Let's create our function. Let's log into the console. All right, so we're going to create a variable called threes. I suppose we can just return threes for now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a for loop, and we're just going to check to see if we have an odd number. We should really call this odds. Why did they call this threes? That's weird. Maybe this makes more sense. So if it's an odd number, we increment odds, right? If it's an even number, we reset it to 0. That's all you got to do. And then if this ever reaches 3, we just immediately return true. So use a for loop to do this. Let I equal 0. If I is less than array.length I plus plus, then we use a ternary operator and say array at I modulus 2. So if it's an even number, right, if that equals 0, so if it's an even number, we're going to reset odds to 0. It's not an even number, it's going to be odd, so we increment odds by 1. Now what we can do is see if I get, watch this, if I get rid of this number though, this will be 3. Cool, yep, so it's working. All right, so then what we can do is we can say if odds equals 3, we just return true. There you go. So we're getting true. And then we can have a fallback return here. It says false. So if this never reaches 3 in this for loop, we're going to return false. So we can test that by getting rid of one of these odd numbers. We should see false. We do. Great. All right, let's grab all our code. Let's move on back to Leetcode. Paste her in. Format our code. Run the tests. Cool. Submit it. There you're good to go. All right, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.